Online freelancing is a rapidly emerging field of 21st century work opportunities that one can opt for considering one's liking, abilities, and market demand. And that's why we are focusing on job readiness through freelancing in this course. So come, let's start the journey of learning and make it till earning through freelancing, thereby making a successful career. So let's see what are the aspirations of many young people in the society today. It is to have a stable job, it is to have respect from the society, and it is to be able to enjoy the work that they are doing while it being creative and socially useful. MSCIT Job Readiness course gives you these skills which help in making a career in line with your aspirations. So for exactly whom is this course useful? People who prepare for various competitive exams, study at their hometown, and till the time they actually pass their exam and get a job. For those who have recently passed out of college or various educational institutions and are looking out for their first job. For people who want a better job than the one that they already have. For the people who have a job in hand but want to excel in their work and want a promotion. Also for those who work part-time and are looking out for an earning opportunity in their spare time. Also for those who want to earn a living while they run their business or household work. For the individuals who are studying but also want to earn some income along with it. It is also for people who can't leave their hometown but want to become financially independent and self-reliant. So if you see, a large part of society is in different situations socially, but they want to be self-employed, and all this is possible today through online freelance. And for whom this freelancing is for? Please note that the opportunity to earn money through freelancing is not just for people of certain age group working in some certain areas with some certain skills, but in fact, anyone can start earning through freelancing at any age regardless of their social status. And that's the reason why MSCIT course is going to introduce you to various new work and earning opportunities in freelancing. On one hand, there are aspirations in the mind of the youth, while on the other hand, what is it that the market is telling us about the emerging industry trends? That for any job you aspire to work for, demands you to have mastery over more than one skill. Also, it is the need of time that you learn new things faster, unlearn old things, techniques and skills, and get out of the old processes and mindset, and instead learn more advanced things quickly. While confirming this, UNICEF says that by 2030, more than half of the Indian youth is less likely to have a job just because they will not have the skills required to perform the work. Yet another report says that over 70% of corporate companies in the past year had got their major jobs done through freelancing, simply because these freelancers work on project basis and does not require to be employed. This can help companies save a lot of money and management, and so companies can afford it financially. This means that in the next few years, this economy based on freelancing, which is also called as the gig economy, is going to be a very big and effective way of working in the world. That means you have a huge scope for this kind of work. New career opportunities are in front of you, and so we have included online freelancing in this job readiness course. So well, how to do this freelancing? Well, there are various freelancing platforms available for you today like Truelancer, Freelancer, People Per Hour, Upwork, etc. There are also several Indian freelancing platforms like Sheroes, Work and Hire, Guru, Youth for Work, etc. Nowadays, many e-tutoring platforms also work in a freelancing mode. That is, if you have good skills and knowledge, and if you can teach well, then with the help of these sites, platforms, you can teach many people very well.